Our employees and our subcontractors are vetted. And the reason why this is important is because just like I'm married and have a wife, and I know a lot of guys out there have daughters and different things, and you don't want just anybody in your house looking around and going around, and you have to be trustworthy. So whenever we hire and whenever we train and accredit a subcontractor to work with our team, we are making sure and asking all those hard questions so that whenever we come to your house, you can have complete ease about us being in there. An example of things not going perfectly right is an example I get every day. My phone typically doesn't ring when things are going great. It typically rings when something's gone wrong. Here's the difference. Rodgers Painting is human, and we're no different than anyone else. We'll go into a house and inevitably something will be done wrong. Maybe we painted something the wrong color. Maybe we did something incorrect. Maybe we dropped paint on something. Those are things that happen because we are humans and we're trying to get a lot of work done. The difference is we come in and we rectify those every time. No matter what, we'll come in, we'll take care of that. Where those incidents happen very rarely, when they do, we stand behind what we do and we come in and we'll work with that customer to the very end to make sure that their project is done to their standard and ours.